Have you ever wondered why people are curious about adult content? Today, we will explain it using science. Don't worry, this video is fully educational. Section 1. Human curiosity. Curiosity is natural. People are curious about many things, including relationships and adult content. Curiosity helps us learn and understand the world around us. Section 2. Brain and dopamine. When we see something interesting, our brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine makes us feel happy and excited. This is why adult content can catch our attention. It activates the brain's reward system. Section 3. Psychology behind attraction. Being attracted to adult content is not only about sex, it's also about curiosity and novelty. Everyone's brain reacts differently. Some people feel more curious, others less. Section 4. Healthy understanding. Knowing why we are curious helps us make smart choices. Learning about relationships, intimacy, and mental health is a safe way to satisfy curiosity. Curiosity is normal. Understanding the science behind it helps us make informed